Come to the big roleplay day. Choose between to be an orc, an elf, or a wizard. The whole day there will be a fight between the good and the evil. The good have fortress on Karlby Cliff and the evil has intaken Sangstrup Cliff. It is important to intake each other's cliff. The first team to take the other's forces wins.
It all takes place on May 16, 2015. We meet at Karlby Cliff, where we will be awarded which side we are on, and the participants will be divided into 2 different groups. There will be served lunch by payment of 30 crowns. We are looking forward to seeing you.
Pockety, pockety, wockety, whack. Abber, abber.